channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you part of the channel. And for the current subscribers, welcome back. I am making some air fried chicken wings in the Ninja Foodi. I did put a little bit of this is just some cornstarch and baking powder that I'm gonna toss my marinated wings in, hoping it helps give it some extra crunch. So give me a second. So I'm just gonna like toss these around. Let's see. Hopefully it gives it a little bit of extra crunch from being in this. So I'm gonna put a thin layer. You know what? I'm just gonna, let's see. It actually has a large space, so that's just some canola spray. Let's see. Oh, I gotta start this back up. I always forget that this thing hold on one second. So I can clean my hand off. I always forget that this thing preheats. But it had already been marinating, so that part is done. So let's see, air crisp. No. Let me see. Wait a minute. I don't want it to do, I want to do it myself. Well, that's fine. Okay. It automatically does it at 390. I normally only cook my chicken at 375, but let's just see what happens. So I'll come right back once it heats up. Okay guys, so it already told me to add the chicken. I did change the temperature to 375 for 20 minutes. So once it gets to 10 minutes, I'm going to flip the chicken over. And then I'll finish cooking it on the other side for 10 minutes. And then I'll come back. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey guys, I'm back. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like. It's looking pretty good. So I'm just going to turn them over. Oh, they kind of crispy too. Okay. I'm liking this, liking those. I could tell they crispy because let me see. Oh, let's see. One second, you guys. 1 second. Okay, so now I'm gonna just shut it and let it finish cooking on the other side. But maybe I'll like spray it a little bit. Let me see. So I can make sure they crisp up. Okay. So now they gotta cook for 9 minutes on the other side. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of honey. And this is already sweet, so this is like a tiger sauce. It's kind of thin, so that's why I added honey to it. And then I'm just gonna drizzle this on it. And then just kind of like toss them around. I might add just a little bit more honey. I was gonna mix it with some hot honey, but this that tiger sauce already has some heat to it, and so I didn't want to like overdo it. So I think this will be good. I'm a tad bit under the weather, which is why I don't want my face in the camera. But yeah, so I'm gonna eat this with some rice. But I hope you like this video. This will go up tomorrow in real time. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave your girl a comment, and also please subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.